1, 2, 1, 2.
Ow, that's way too loud.
Sorry.
Not your fault. That's why sound checking is so important around here. They ensure that the audience receives the best experience possible.
Totally. And it just so happens that today is International Sound Check Day.
Okay, try now.
Check, check. Is this thing on?
Obviously. But anyway, at least the volume's all good now.
Man, getting those levels just right must be a form of art.
Exactly. Now test out the drum.
Testing, testing.
And the guitar. Perfect.
Here's to the stage's unsung heroes, the sound technicians.